Hey creators! Today I'm going to show you how to spot TikTok trends before they explode so you can hop on early and boost your chances of going viral. And here's how to do it. First, scroll your For You page and pay attention to new audios or formats you see more than twice in 10 minutes. That's a sign that it's hitting up. Then, tap Sound Name on Rising Videos. Check how many videos are using it. If it's under 5,000, it's still early. Then, use the TikTok Creative Center. Then go to the Trending Songs section and filter by your country or niche. Then follow the trend-focused creators or pages that track new formats like TikTok trends and more. Then you can also watch for meme text formats, filter effects, or caption styles repeating with slight twist. Those usually catch on fast. And that's how to stay ahead of TikTok trends before they go viral. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.